Welcome back guys to TechExpress. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do this logo using Canva as it tells us an expressed version. So whether you are building a brand from scratch or needing a logo for a side project, Canva has you covered with its free template and design features. Let's dive into creating a perfect logo. The very first thing I wanted to do, of course, is to understand why using Canva for a logo design. Now, using Canva is one of the most easy and popular features to add, post an actual logo. So Canva is an intuitive web-based design platform that offers pre-made templates and easy-to-use logo design. So this tools hundreds of free elements to create a unique and professional logo. You don't need any design experience, just creativity. So to get started and to do this process in a very easy way, first of all, what I need to do, of course, is to choose one of the best templates. So to get started, of course, is to go into canva.com and create an account. Once you have created an account, then it's time to move on into the templates of Canva. If you're here into the home dashboard, you can focus inside search your content into Canva and then type the word logo. Now, something that I can suggest to you before we can continue is to just go for space and to choose the category of the type of logo you're looking for. Let's say, for example, that I have a gaming channel. So if I type gaming logo and I go for enter, it's going to be showing me a list of templates specifically creating for logos that are into the gaming category. So this is something that's going to be really important, and I can focus into something straight, in this case into my field, which is the gaming category. Now in this case, I'm going to select one logo that I liked the most, so I can continue and of course choose something that is related to my brand. You don't have to worry about the title, you don't have to worry about what is inside these colors. What you can focus is into the elements that you see in here. You can change this later. So you scroll down, choose one that you like the best, and go ahead and go for continue. So I choose, let's say, this one. And now I go for customize template. Before you hit into customize template, you have related into the element that you have just selected. For example, I have something like this, I have wolves, I have phantom, the dragon, and much more stuff. So usually just can focus now inside, let's say for example, this, customize the template, and we are now inside the editor. Now the editor is going to be showing me the preview of what's going to be looking like my logo. And to the left part, we have the design of more templates if you want to change your mind and choose more. Now elements, of course, there are shapes, graphics, AI, image generators, some stickers, photos. Here we can add text, uploads of your own images. You can draw and check out more applications that can be helping you to get started. Usually the most easiest way is just to, of course, to select, for example, here it says a streamer, and I can change this for, let's say, for example, tech games, right? And ESTD 995, let's go for YouTube. I can select my title, make this a little bit more smaller to make it fittable, and that will be actually it. Now if you were to change or to look out for something different, for example, let's say that I go for elements, I look out for game, video game, console, whatever. I can select elements here, and here have some graphics. I go for see all, and I can select one image that I kind of like, for example this one. So this one looks more interesting than this, but if you see here, we can of course use this logo to try to use exactly the same colors that we're using here. For example, instead of going with this, I'm going to try it out with something like this. Instead of going, let's say select this, instead of going with this, I can go with this, and I do exactly the same thing. Let's try it out with this, and these are two colors. Now I have exactly these same colors, but now applied it into my new template section. So I can now delete this one and focus with this color. So I make this a little bit much more bigger, and there we go. You can change the font of the colors of the text if you wanted to. For example, here I select them, and here into the left part I have more stuff. For example, here's lazy dogs. I can tell Netflix. I can try it out with this one. So choose the one that best suits for your niche category, and once you like one, then let's go here for show, download, and the size, usually just leave this out like that and go for download, and there we go. So here's my PNG file. I double clicked, and here is my logo design created with Canva. There's a lot of things to cover, there's a lot of customization to do, but I just show you like the basic way how we can create an actual logo using Canva. And this is for free. And second of all, this is totally original, created by and for yourself. So that's a grab how we can create an actual logo using Canva, guys. If you wanted to see more tools how you can get started here into Canva, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. If you wanted to see more amazing tools how we can get started here into Canva and more design presets and templates. So thank you once again for watching this video, guys. Hopefully you can all see you next time.